So you finished writing a book. Great. But before you move on to publishing, there is one more thing you need to work on. Your book's synopsis. Even if you're self-publishing, writing a synopsis can be extremely useful. Let's find out why. A synopsis is a brief 500 to 1000 word summary of your book. It includes all the major plot points, character arcs, and the resolution. Unlike a blurb that's written to sell your book, a synopsis is more functional. Think of it as a spoiler-heavy overview of your book. A synopsis helps you clarify your plot and structure, ensure that there are no inconsistencies or weaknesses in your story, and write better descriptions for your book's listing. Here's a simple structure that you can follow for fiction books. Status quo, which is where your story begins. Inciting incident, which is the moment that everything changes. Rising actions, which includes any complications or developments in your story. Crisis, which is the turning point or the climax of your story. Resolution, which is how it all ends. You can start by outlining your story using all of these subheadings. Once you've nailed the plot structure, you also need to show how your characters change through the plot. Here are some tips for writing a great synopsis. Focus on the main plot and don't go into the subplots. Keep the tone neutral and not salesy. Don't withhold plot twists. A synopsis is not the place for surprises. Writing a synopsis might feel like a chore, but it's one of the best tools to get clarity about your story. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!